Hi guys, it's me Jun Carl and this is my learning about HCI or Human Computer Interaction. So what is Human Computer Interaction? So Human Computer Interaction or HCI is all about designing technology that people can use, that people can easily and enjoyably use. So it considers human psychology, capabilities, and limitations to create user-friendly interface. Um, so HCI isn't just about being usable or its usability, but it also involves understanding our needs, the user's needs, emotions, and accessibility concerns. So, as technology evolves with features like voice commands and virtual reality, so also natay di ba mixed reality, HCI ensures these advancements um, prioritize effective and ethical interaction between humans and machines. So, with that, human-computer interaction, in layman's term pa, mas napadali niya ang atong napadali ang pag-normalize ng technology through human-computer interaction. Ako lang to. Thanks!